is not going to be as high. If it comes in perpendicular to the...
Let Gold Coast cruises.
Weather systems many times in that northeastern quadrant of the actual circulation associated with the tropical system, the potential for tornadic development. Now, we've had a few tornado warnings issued so far today in association with the outer fringes of Hurricane Bertha. We haven't received specific information regarding any damage, but again, some tornado warnings have already been issued based on some local Doppler radar interpretations of some thunderstorms. And don't forget, even though the system is now well to your north, those interests along the lower coast coming away from Charleston, heading south into Georgia and northeastern Florida, we still have a heavy surf advisory in effect from the South Carolina border heading down to St. Augustine. So these systems certainly have that potential to generate large swells that can travel a great distance and stay significantly high for quite a period of time. There's your visible satellite imagery, and you can see the swirl of the cloud field here, also the center of circulation, the area of lowest pressure. That's Bald Head Island right there, Cape Fear, and you can see again that eye, the western part of the eye wall perhaps, but it shows up very clearly on Doppler radar out of Wilmington. And again, here's Bald Head Island where we have Cape Fear, and you can see the circulation around the center of lowest pressure, the bands of storms coming in, and while it may let up for a brief period of time, there'll be a lull, and then there'll be a new band of thunderstorms that'll come in off the ocean and drop some more heavy rain. And it's that succession of rain band after rain band after rain band, which collectively adds up to an awful lot of precipitation. Tropical weather systems just have such a high ability to take in all this tropical moisture and then start squeezing it out with these squally rain bands. But again, you can see the swirling motion here. Again, perhaps an indication slightly jogging off here more in a northeasterly fashion. But again, we've had reports of some significant beach erosion down along the coastal communities here north of Cape Fear. All right, well, let's take a look at what's happening. Again, a complete update coming up at the Gulf of Mexico. And tonight, as the hurricane comes on shore and tracks north, we have our work cut out for us tonight because the potential for flooding will increase not only in coverage, but also as we go from south to north. The areas of heaviest rain will be expanding, and in some cases we may be dealing with over 5 or 6 inches of rainfall. Scattered pockets of rainy travel today. These are flood watches also in effect for parts of southern Colorado, adjacent northern New Mexico, and southeast Oklahoma and western Arkansas. Very heavy rain occurred in this corridor earlier today, still getting some rain, and we now have new storms developing in parts of eastern Colorado. There's the threat zone for severe weather, parts of the lakes, and from the southwest cutting across the southern plains, especially in Arkansas later today. And of course, we have several tornado watches in association with our hurricane.